Hi, my name is Angie Wheeler Sabia, and I would love to invite you to Missions Minded Media. It's a 6 weeks course that I have designed specifically for missionaries. It's a 1 hour a week Zoom call where you learn simple, practical social media skills that will help you grow your reach and connect with ministry partners. I am a missionary in Mozambique, Africa for almost 24 years. I understand the challenges of staying connected to ministry partners and raising financial support. About a year and a half ago, I started sharing my vision online, and it's been amazing. I've been able to connect with my ministry partners, show them what we do, why we do it, and the impact that we're making together. And the bonus is I get to share the gospel of Jesus Christ online instantly. Join me in Missions Minded Media. I would love to help you get started on your journey and bringing your ministry partners along with you. I hope to see you soon.